Earth rotates once a day, which means that it circles itself in those 24 hours, or 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds to be exact. And there is so much more happening during this period that you probably aren't aware of. Be prepared for some amazing numbers, facts and statistics. Let's start with Earth's rotation. One complete rotation means that if you're on the equator, you travel 40,075 kilometers, or 24,901 miles in a day. The Earth itself travels 2.6 million kilometers or 1.6 million miles in a day, traveling through space. On our planet, there are approximately 385,000 births a day, and sadly 170,000 deaths a day. This means that Earth's population grows with about 215,000 people per day, and there are already over 8 billion people on our planet, of which about 22 million people celebrate their birthday every day. Another thing that we all have to deal with every day is the weather. There's 1.44 trillion liters of rainfall every day, which is a shockingly high number. And there are about 18,000 thunderstorms per day with over 8 million lightning strikes. All rivers on Earth together have an estimated total discharge of 1,217,724.4 cubic meters per second. That's equal to 488 Olympic swimming pools per second. And what's even more amazing is that 18% of this gigantic number is from the Amazon River alone. Unfortunately, the Earth is warming up. This is with about 0.0001 degrees Celsius per day, meaning that the average temperature on Earth is already up to 15.04 degrees Celsius. This leads to a lot of ice being melted on the poles and on glaciers. Every day, 2,073,000,000 tons of ice melt. To put it into perspective, that's equal to 829,000 Olympic swimming pools per day. Can you imagine? Ultimately, this means that the sea level rises by 0.003 centimeters per day, or 1.1 centimeters per year. Another unfortunate event that happens on a daily is the cutting or burning of forests and rainforests. 77,000 hectares of rainforest are burned or cut every day. That's equal to 1 football field per second. Most of this happens in the Brazilian Amazon rainforest, where over a third of all cutting happens. If we keep up this rate, there will be no rainforest left by the year 2100. Underneath the Earth's surface, tectonic plates slowly move in a direction to form all sorts of new landscapes. And this is at a speed of 1.6 centimeters on average per year, which means that they move 41 micrometers per day. That's 62 years for it to move 1 meter. Every day, 12.3 million people take a commercial flight to get to their next destination. This means that over 4.5 billion people fly every year. However, it's mostly the same small group of people that take multiple flights, as over 90% of the total population has never been aboard of an aircraft in their entire life. And whenever you fly internationally, like 1.9 billion people do every year, don't forget to adjust your clocks, and there are definitely some very weird time zones that you can get to. Find out for yourself right here.